Okay, so we're like late. We went so far, we're going back a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm going back. Well, I'm going over here.
Hey, Juan, you can go through there.
Well, I'm going back. Like, there's no water here. Yeah, it's kind of getting scary.
No.
Kind of. Yeah, not that boring, but like a little bit boring.
Right here is beautiful.
Yeah,
And this side,
there's a dog up there. Let's go.
let's run.
We're going back. There's two fucking dogs up there. I don't know if I can hear, but there's two dogs up there.
Where's the hand?
Man, fuck that nigga. So are we going back all the way like home already? Last one is gay. Ah, we're going back. We have to run through the water. We heading back. This shit going a little bit scary, a little bit bored.
Shit, right there is scary.
Oh shit, that shit scared me. I thought it was like right there. See guys when we're there. Okay, so we're back where we started. This is kind of fun, so we're gonna get in the water a little bit. Oh shit, this shit deep.
I got away from my shorts. See?
Yeah.
It's because I slipped from a big...
Hey, let's.
It was deeper.
Yeah, this is deeper. Hey guys, I wanna head back home.
I don't
Okay.
think it that much.
Okay, I'm heading back. And then we'll come back like another day. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to check out Egor 2.4 and eat that pussy 456. See you guys in the next video.